Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ecobee Smart Thermostat using iOS Home app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install your Ecobee Smart Thermostat using the iOS Home app, first, ensure your Ecobee is compatible with your heating and cooling system. Gather all necessary tools and your Ecobee thermostat. Begin by turning off power to your HVAC system at the circuit breaker. Remove your old thermostat carefully. Take a picture of the existing wiring for reference. Label the wires according to the corresponding terminals to avoid confusion. Remove the wall plate of the old thermostat and install the new mounting plate of the Ecobee. Feed the labeled wires through the center of the new mounting plate. Attach the wires to their respective terminals on the Ecobee, making sure to secure each connection. Once all wires are connected, attach the Ecobee faceplate onto the mounting plate. Restore power to your HVAC system at the circuit breaker. Next, download and open the Ecobee app on your iOS device if you haven't already. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to connect the thermostat to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you will be prompted to add the device to the iOS Home app. Open the Home app on your iOS device. Tap the plus sign to add a new accessory. Scan the HomeKit setup code located on the Ecobee device. Follow the prompts to complete the setup in the Home app. Customize your thermostat settings according to your preferences. Finally, check that your Ecobee is functioning correctly by adjusting the temperature in the Home app. Your Ecobee Smart Thermostat is now successfully installed and integrated with the iOS Home app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.